What's going on, everybody? I want to give y'all a quick review on my wrap that I got from Ryker's Wraps. This is a camo. It's supposed to be a red, black, and green camo that I got from them guys, but it's more like this not even red. It's like a orange. So, but I'm still highly satisfied with what I got. I got a high gloss wrap from them. It took me about legit 6 hours, and I have no history, no experience on putting these wraps on. Just me and a friend did it. You're gonna need some rubbing alcohol, 91%, a spray bottle. You send me these lint-free rags, and a heat gun. The heat gun is real important to get because I'm gonna show you like certain parts that was really hard that without the heat gun it would have been impossible. Like for this part, you got to use the heat gun because it helps expand the material and before you put it on. So again, man, I never did this before. I just did it by myself, me and a friend. I'll give you a good close-up. Like, as you can see, it's still some. I just did it yesterday, and you can check the weather. The sun. It's like a cloudy day, and I just threw this Can-Am wrap cover on it overnight. So I haven't stored it, like, I guess properly or whatever. But it's still. I just did it yesterday. It's not even been 24 hours, and as you can see, it's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect, but like for me doing it one time by myself, like with just help and doing it, it came out very, very good. That a shop would have easily tried to charge you $500 to $1,000, or they would have told you they don't even know how to do it. And like I say, with that heat gun, as you can see, you see how it's expanded some, and then on other places it went in on the tire. Over here it was expanding good. Little space here, but it's pre-cut. Everything worked out pretty good. So I would highly recommend, if you want to wrap your bike, to do it yourself and possibly go through Ryker Wraps. They pretty good, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Ever since I got this bike, I haven't even drove my car. Like, look at my tires, man. My tires is low, man. Like, I need air in it because I haven't drove it because I'm always on this one right here, man. So again, quick review. Check the bike out, 101. Make sure you try to get you something custom nobody else got. You know, so I see a few bikes that all got the same wraps, but they definitely can get you pretty good. The shipment was fast. I paid the $30 to get it sent fast, so I got it in like 4 days. So they quick, it's easy. Follow the directions, and you should be satisfied. So appreciate everybody watching it. Any questions, leave a comment. I answer them pretty fast for you. But yeah, man, this is my 2020 Can-Am Ryker 900 Ace with a Ryker Wraps camo. Peace.